สวัสดีค่ะ
Alright guys, we're down Soy 13/2. Let's have a look at this street. All this soy, see what's going on down here. Don't know what's going on, plenty of food stalls, Indian food, pharmacy, you name it, they've got it, as per usual, in Thailand. Hope everyone's doing well today. I certainly am, because I'm in Thailand, living the dream. If you ever get an opportunity to come to this place, mate, you've got to do it. Fantastic country. Watch out. Gonna get skittled. Let these guys get past. So this is Soy 13/2. It's like a mini Soy 13, I think. I think that's what that means with the /2. Get in front of these guys. Plenty of massage places everywhere. Plenty of the green thing as well. Oh, these cars, come on, man. Pretty cool place. Few bars here, Malibu lounge bar, looks alright. Rooms for rent. You won't get me in one of those joints. I've got to stay in me 4 stars, mate. 4-star hotels for me, thanks. I'm a bit of a clean freak, so I can't handle those cheap rooms. Sorry. It's just what I am. Look at this, happy hour, all beers 60 baht. They've got Leo's for 60? Doesn't look like it. Charlie's Beach, Riviera Beach, French Hotel Bar, restaurant, some food, Little Hole Bar, the Londoner Bar and Restaurant. There's a few places down this end. Quite a few. Best Massage, Hotel Barracuda. Hello, Swaddy Cup. The Dagger Bar. Looks like it's happening. A lot of the oldies there. Alright, so we're back on the first street. We'll go down to 13. Have a look down there. See what we can find down Soy 13. Only just down here. So if you keep going north to which way I'm going, that takes you to Terminal 21. It's not a bad place over here. Is this 13? Yeah, it is. We'll walk down here, have a look. Tattoo joint, looks alright. Just like little sports bars and stuff, I think. The pub, the Swan Pub and Grub. I see new bar. Tattoos, pharmacies, you name it. Bloody hell, got everything. A few of the boys out here having lunchtime drinks. Scandic Apartments. Sweetie's Bar. Hopefully you can see it. Sweaty cup. Nick's Bar. Some cool bars down here. Teppy Hub's Bar. Sweaty cup. Yeah, it's just a lot of massage joints down this soy. Alright, the wind's picking up again. Sorry guys. What I'll do... I'll record that one. So we're just coming out here now to Beach Road, Kahana Queen. It's not going to be a long video, peep. Get back out here onto the main beach road. Head back this way, I think. Beautiful day here in sunny Pattaya. It's probably about 29, 30 degrees now. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. As we head down towards Terminal 21 direction. We're not going all the way down there, but we're just going to see what's down here. Have a look around. I can get through here. Yes, I can. And t-shirts here if you want. Bags. Backpacks, cool little stuff. Cheaper if you go inland a bit, back to the 2nd and 3rd streets. Always way cheaper. If you further in you go, the cheaper it is. Never buy anything on the 1st street, the beach street where all the tourists go, because that's tourist prices. In fact, I just come from Hua Hin, and of all the places I've been to in Thailand, mate, everything was cheap there. Way cheaper than anywhere I've been in Thailand. Food, clothes, drinks, everything. Way cheaper. So do your research if you need to, if you're going to be buying stuff. Bangkok's pretty cheap too, if you look at the right places. But your Pattayas and your Phukets, I wouldn't be buying stuff from there, man. Just too touristy pricing. Look at that. That's fantastic. That view. Where else would you want to be, people? Where else would you want to be? No thanks, mate. Beautiful area. Stunning, just stunning. Mike's shopping mall, just out the front of, people everywhere. Everyone's eating their lunch or a late afternoon snack. Watch out, we're going to get hit by the cars if I'm not careful here, or bikes. Get in front over here, and then we'll call it a day, I think. It's time for my Leo. It's outside the 5-star bar. Ladies sweeping up everything. Beautiful job. Really good job. Get through here is impossible. Alright guys, well I think I might leave it here. Walk down the stores, walk down a bit of beach road. Yeah, there's not much more down here I don't think. Call it a day. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the walk. Plenty more videos to come around Thailand, doing all different types of walks. You hit the like button, thumbs up, leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.